In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at variable augment list feature supported in Python. So over here you can see we have a function called main, and then we have defined a tuple which was having even numbers till 10. Next we are having a function called variable arguments, and you can see that we are passing a tuple over here as an argument, but before that we are also having this asterisk symbol or star icon, and when we do so over here, it means that the argument that we are passing is of variable length. So instead of a tuple, we can have anything comma separated over here, like list of strings separated by comma. And the same when received over here as parameter. You can also see that here also we have the asterisk symbol and then the args, args. This is the common convention to have variable augment list variables named as args. And then we are checking inside this if there is any item in that argument list. That means if the length of the argument collection is there, then we are looping through each one of them and printing them. Otherwise we are simply saying none. And here again we are checking if it's a main module, then call the main function. Now if I run this one, you'll notice the output coming over here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can pass few more over here, just making it a general tuple now, and let's run it. So here you can see it's printing all those values. And this way, if there is a requirement where you are not sure about the number of arguments that is required to be passed in a function, you can make use of variable arguments feature provided in Python.